good day. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. We are walking to one of my favorite markets, Mercado San Juan, to get a few items. Órale. Gracias.
Sí.
Hola.
Hola, chef. Bienvenido.
Bienvenido. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Dónde está?
Este.
Ya no, sí, le levantó el castigo, ¿verdad?
¿Qué?
No, sí, le digo. No lo traigo. No lo traigo. Se ve mejor en casa.
Es verdad.
Mira, viene bien educado. Dice, no, pues es que si viene para acá, dice, no me anda cuidando, dice.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And we have the dry one. They had fresh ones last time I was here.
They have this one.
You want this one?
Yeah, the box.
And the chantilly?
I don't know how much it is. You have to ask them. To decide this price. Look, this one, tomatoes.
Sí. Okay. ¿Qué más?
Where is your bag?
Órale. ¿Y es qué es?
Romerito.
Ah, romeitos bebecito.
Sí.
Porque hay romeitos.
Es una hierba grande, pero este es para guisar y el otro es para como condimentar.
Different.
Sí.
¿Cuánto es?
140.
140, ¿verdad?
Barato.
Yo creo.
Sí. La bolsa.
Chicos, búscame la carta, alguna tapa, alguna baguette, una
For his baguettes and cheese. He's here for his baguettes and cheese. Hola, buenas tardes.
Voy a llevar de Gouda.
¿No tienes? No? Got everything we needed and we are heading back home.
Oh, this is where you were yesterday?
So I am on my way to a party, and I came home earlier, got some rest, overslept, and I was woken up. I'm wake up, those one wake me up and say, wait there, you know, somewhere to go. And I got dressed. Well, of course, shower. Now I'm heading out, and it should be a good evening. And so I'm not able to record in this place. It's a private event, but I'll try and show a little teeny tiny clip. See you in a few minutes.